In this box is my Apple Watch Ultra. I had sent it into Apple to see what the downgrade process is like from the watchOS betas. But before I got this box back, I got an email from Apple saying that their technicians could not process my repair request. Now I'm pretty sure that it still got downgraded, but before we get there, let's go through the process of what it takes to downgrade your watch from the watchOS betas. So last week I got on my iPhone and I opened the Apple Support app. If you don't have this app already, you can download it from the App Store. And once I launched it, it had my Apple Watch right there in the corner. So I just went ahead and clicked on it and contacted support. So once I got a hold of a support person from Apple, the process was pretty easy. I just let them know what I was wanting to do. I just wanted to downgrade my watch from watchOS 10, and they went ahead and started asking a couple questions. The main thing they're going to ask is your name and address info, and then also the serial number on the watch. If you don't know where to go to find that, all you have to do is go into the watch app on your phone and then go into General and then About. And right in there, you'll see the serial number, and you can even just tap and hold and actually copy. A little copy option pops up. Then you can just paste that right back into the chat, and then they'll look up the info. That's when they'll probably ask you that you need to remove Find My. So the process to remove Find My is also very simple. If you're still in the About section, you can go back to the main page. In there at the very top, you'll see All Watches. Tap on that and then tap on the little eye with a circle on the side of your watch, and then scroll all the way down, and there's an option to either unpair or remove the Apple Watch. Now this will completely remove it from your iPhone. If you're wanting to actually continue using your watch while you're waiting for this box that they're going to be sending you, all you're going to have to do is just repair it after they check everything out. But do not forget to redo the process to unpair your watch again, because it has to be fully unpaired and removed from Find My for them to be able to downgrade the watchOS back to the non-beta. So once they verified that it was removed from Find My, then they were able to actually submit the rest of the process. But once I had everything done, they told me the box would be shipped out. It actually took 3 days for mine to arrive, but that was because there was a holiday in between. Probably going to be looking at going without your watch for a full week. So keep that in mind if you don't have an extra watch around, that you're just not going to have a watch for a week when you go through the downgrading process. The box itself is pretty interesting because on the box you have a label that can be removed, and then that has the return label right there. Once you open it up, there's another little white box in there. Once you open that one up, then there's like this little sandwich, like 2 pieces of plastic, and you kind of just put the watch in there. It will fit with all watches, doesn't matter the size, regular or the Ultra, they all fit in there. You close it down, kind of like sealing Han Solo in carbonite. And then once you package it all back up, you take it to the UPS store or UPS drop box and then send it back to Apple. Now, the day I returned it to Apple was a Friday, so it took them until Monday to get the box back. Once they had it, things kind of went in high gear because they didn't receive it until Monday around 3 o'clock my time, and by Monday 5 o'clock, it was already on the process of being sent back. They actually even overnighted it. So here it is Tuesday, 1 day later, and it's in my hands. But here's the thing. Like I said, I got that email. So is it actually downgraded, or does it still have the beta on it? So let's go ahead, open this up. All right, so here it is. I'm just gonna cut this open. I gotta not show you guys my address, so we're gonna open it up a little backwards. Let's go. Now, all right. They sent me a little piece of paper that also has my address on it, so we're just gonna throw that away. And then here's the box. Oh, I love this box. So now this one looks different than the one I sent the watch in. So you take a look, it says Apple Watch on it. I love that. That's really cool. So hey, if you ever want a different watch box, and then we just open it up, and they re-sealed it in plastic for me. So I'm pretty sure this is the same watch. I'll have to check the serial numbers just to make sure. Yeah, because you can tell, like that plastic is not like high quality, like on there. It's definitely just been placed on there by somebody that's not used to doing this. So open this up. Yep, I can even see some of the scratches that I already had on my watch. Let's go ahead and power this on and see if it's running watchOS 9. So it's booted up, so we're gonna launch the watch app on my phone and add a watch. Set up for myself. All right, so as of right now, it's all syncing, so we'll know here real soon if it's got watchOS 9 on it or not. I'm pretty sure it does, just based on a few of the settings I saw as I was setting it up. So now it is repaired to my iPhone, so let's go ahead and take a look. And yep, you can already tell just by the grid layout itself, we are back on watchOS 9, but I can just double check by going into the About, and then you'll see right there, it says watchOS 9.5.2. So the downgrade happened, everything's good to go. Now I'm free to use my watch beta free. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe. It means the world to me. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.